And what I need to do then is I need to pop that into my digital wallet so I can use it on a POS. In order to do that, I need to get the card number, which I can do just by clicking Show Card in Full. And it has a little think, and there we are. So I can copy that to the clipboard, and I can paste that into Apple Pay. In terms of Apple Pay, now this is a demo card. What I can't do is I can't add this card to Apple Pay because it's a test card. But if I wanted to do it, what I would do is I'd just click, click plus, and I would just add a debit or credit card, and you just paste the number in. But let's have a look. This is actually a Centtrip card. This is the live production card. You can see I've got a couple of transactions on there, a couple of lunches, lovely, lovely. And that card I can use if I need to ever make a transaction for my Centtrip account. So that's what they look like within the Apple Wallet. Obviously, it works with Google Pay as well.